Welcome back to our City Hot on top of the senior brother for the television station when they inside the world. Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Ezuku Chukudi and Ogbonge August visitor inside the month of August. Prince David Aboyowa or Magomi, the ED of Efon, he dey inside with me for inside studio. Oga Prince, welcome again to us in the Hot.
Thank you.
We go like emphasize say Efon, that is ERFON. We just got a short form of something way long. If you get your biro, write them down so that the name go continue to the sound for your head. Because if we not continue to talk about our environment, if it spoil. Efon na environmental restoration.
Eco Restoration Foundation of Nigeria.
Make I no make you know say when it is Eco Restoration Foundation of Nigeria. Eco Restoration. Eco get to do with everything about our environment, the whole system, ecosystem, and restoration na to carry the good thing when day before come back. Foundation na something when we say he don't enter for ground where of Nigeria, it belong to Nigeria.
Not true.
Quick one before we even talk about Efon. I know say you will be the project director. I don't know whether you still sit down for that chair, but you've been there on top of that chair for the Niger Delta Environmental Restoration Project. And it be like say from what you see for that one, you don't come see say as we dey talk for here, make we dey talk for everywhere. You been talking and say your background from where you come from. You don't experience am first hand.
Yes.
Now it make you come feel look say Lagos people una dey flex so thinking say e no concern us na Niger Delta. You come dey carry your experience from there they come they tell them say even for una front now this kind thing dey happen make una know. You been talk about say this thing dey chop size of stadium. I just dey imagine say Old Trafford now as e big dey contain like 75,000 people. Environment chop am. Now something wey suppose dey make us dey fear and many of us dey believe say this country we go talk about corruption, unemployment, we no know say some other kind things na it dey result in all these things. When you give the example of the 11 states, you talk say as these people wey be say that they pursue malu, they don comot for their state, they go the middle belt, e don dey cause problem because farmer go talk say your animal dey chop my this thing, wetin you dey come do for here, the thing dey cause problem. You come dey profile solutions as we go take fit solve am. Make we continue from where we don stop. You don't believe say Oga Presido wetin go start, go do am well, and you believe say the people wey need dey there na people wey be say their head correct, they go do am well. Make we come move on from here.
Very well, Chukudi. The thing we say, as you talk am then, when I be the project director for the Niger Delta Environmental Restoration Project, we don't get plenty of experience from how the ecosystem there don't destroy, damage. But we look and say, the environment, it get what they call continuum. Wetin happen for here now, it go affect you wey happen for Okokomaiko.
True.
Pollution wey start for Nigeria, it go keep people for Ghana.
True.
So we say, we partner with other like minds, other NGOs. We can come up with the Eco Restoration Foundation of Nigeria, so that we can look, we go feel look the eco destruction, the ecological losses. We go feel look at conservation. We go feel look at restoration, that is to bring them back, to conserve, to keep them, to protect, to prevent.
Make it no go back
Make
again.
it no go back
badness.
again. Yes, we go look at them from a holistic view, both north, south, east, west,
everywhere.
and north. Because today now we get a man from the northern part of the country. If you say na this eastern erosion, the gully erosion alone, you want tackle. It go get as it go be. People from another side go still complain. So we take them, and our membership come from all over Nigeria. We get people from the 4 corners of Nigeria or the 36 corners of Nigeria as members, so that every issue of ecosystem damage we go fit dey tackle them one by one. That's not for eco restoration matter. For the issue when you they ask regarding how it take be when we say we can't dey put eye for this environment, we don't look and say our policy makers them, the way we take they assess the performance of our government. Now so how many road he build, how many schools he build, how many bridge he build, how many stadium he build, all those kind of things. At Efon, we dey talk say it is time for us may we begin to look at environmental contribution as a indices, a way where they go take they measure performance. No be only by how many school you build, because you build school, build road. When erosion come,
you go chop am.
You chop am.
True.
So that one means say, as we dey plan for Nigeria, we must also put environment for the front matter. Make we dey ask our policy holders them. Wetin you do for environment? Yes, you build borehole. Yes, you buy WAEC form for our children. Sustainable development, na Oyibo call am when we learn for environmental class. Sustainable development means say the kind development wey be say our children go still fit dey benefit from the resources. The way we take dey use our resources for Nigeria, at EFON we can't look am. We look all the issues where they worry Nigeria now. True. We focus on one topic now. Our topic when we stand, they pursue seriously now na coastal wetlands. Coastal wetlands na the area where they for shoreline. And the area where they for mangrove swamps, the creeks, and other marsh swamp lands.
That is, make we break up for PG, make people no confused. Okay, all the area where they inside.
River, all the area where they for, all those our green area for river. Inside. Then all these our shoreline for beach, where we go they enjoy the groove. Now, all those areas, God give man, they call them like barrier reef. That is, if flooding come, those areas then they float. Then when flooding don't come out, those areas go sit down for ground back. Their root they inside ground. Trees, coconut tree, their root they inside ground. So all those things, if those areas don't spoil, anytime when because of climate change, because of flood, because of too much rain, anytime when water wash come, or if they release water for Cameroon or for dam, when that flooding they happen for River Niger, they come. At the end of the day, all these coastal wetlands, now so they go they wash, they come out. As they wash come out, now so shopping of the ground will they take place. You mentioned about if it possible say like a whole football stadium. I not talk say one, I say several stadiums.
That one even including Emirates Stadium, Stamford Bridge,
Abuja Stadium, Lagos,
even the one where they Calabar,
put like champions of Nest. I be waiting to the call.
Nest of champions.
Put like 10 of them together. Hey. As you sleep, wake up, Ungwa. Coastal erosion don't chop am.
Na to sleep and wake up.
As you sleep, wake up, Ungwa. Where day before, no day again. Some communities they we say don't come out. They don't wipe away from the map.
They don't do community-less.
Even Lagos State here, we not carry an example of coastal erosion from another place come. In fact, Lagos State, now the pioneer state for this country, when don't they work on the coastline protection.
True.
You get one place when some people say now only big men place where they call it Eco Atlantic City. That place, even though na real estate project, why would they shout say this is the kind of things to happen for this country? It don't prove to be an environmental solution. Now real estate project, but it they protect the whole of VI, the whole of Lekki from this coastal erosion. So when they come at Eco Restoration say, make all Nigerians, especially the stakeholders for the coastal states of Lagos, Ogun, Ondo, Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, and Cross River, across our 853 kilometers of shoreline, make we put eye for this thing now, because the way you take the shop, they go. Very soon, Nigeria go lose a lot, because when the oil well don't finish, the only thing where Nigeria go fall back on na agriculture.
Very true.
And tourism.
Very true.
Agriculture, all the arable land from the north to the middle belt, and then tourism for the coastal areas. So our message is simple: make we try. And along this line, we don't get eco ambassadors. We don't induct so many of them from Nollywood to eco agencies, to eco companies.
We go mention one of our brother here now.
Yeah,
our OPJ.
Yeah, diplomatic.
He become ambassador.
Now eco ambassador, they we induct them in Edo, the Nollywood, and so many others.
Maybe we just mention our own.
Okay.
Maybe we don't mention other people.
Okay.
Because we mention our own.
Very
then now,
well.
make we break this thing down now. Because if person go church, he can't make prayer points. You go start from somewhere.
Yes.
Person when get headache, go first day. You know go they pray, say you they find work. Because if you get the work, you go solve your headache first. Now, I go still go back to the Niger Delta. I mean, I'm very passionate about this Niger Delta because so many people don't sacrifice their life on top of them. Some people don't come look, say, we don't tire. So they then carry arms, fight against the government. We thank God say all those parts don't pass now.
It's over.
And government don't show, say, okay, we won't move on. Now, Amnesty International come out, talk, say, the Niger Delta as a region, now one out of the 10 most important wetland and coastal land for the whole world. As this water big reach, we enter top 10. And again, the United Nations, after they do their report, they come to say an estimated 31 million people when they live for this Niger Delta. Out of these 31 million people, about 60%, then they dependent on agriculture and also farming.
Maybe ecosystem services.
Ecosystem services.
Fishing, farming, those things. Yeah.
Thank you. I want to make you look now with wisdom. As person when we say, Oga Patapata of F1, you don't read, you don't see, you don't travel, you don't know as all these things they go. Make we look the next 1 year, following what Oga Presido don't do. The next 1 year, following effort when we say organizations like F1 and the good work of people like people like Oronto Douglas don't do for past, Ankyo Briggs they don't do. When you see this talk what they talk now in the next 1 year, you think say we go still on this same topic now we go there or we go don't move on that level to say we don't record success make we continue from where we don't in the next 1 year make 1 year go be like say I stingy make I give you 5 years in the next 5 to 10 years where you see say this matter go don't reach and what do you think say effort go down they do at that time now still to they make noise say hey this thing I be not to do am this way do am that way.
Thank you very much, Chukwudi. I like the way you put the questions and they give everybody that awareness on what Ibise is supposed to be.
True.
As it stands now, we don't look and say plenty workshop done there, plenty symposium, plenty seminar, plenty sit-down talk, plenty, so many reports and so on and so forth, committee findings, recommendation done the grant. Waiting we need now and waiting we at F1 they promote, most especially where we put our time, put our money, put our support, and where our partners they line up, follow us like this. Now environmental stewardship for classroom, from away from the classroom, on site. So all our programs we do them at the site of the erosion.
Una they show example
where they take place. And that's why we flag up the Niger Atlantic Restoration Project, which na coast-long restoration and regeneration program. And further to that, we come up with the Nigeria CARES, which is the Coastal Area Restoration Summit, where stakeholders from all the 8 coastal states will converge for Lagos. This program will organize them for November together in partnership with the International Oceans Institute. Because we look and say, them, when they base for NIOMA, which is the Nigerian Institute of Oceanography and Maritime Research, now then carry the data, now then hold the data,
all the information.
Information of how Nigeria coastline, they collect battering, that's from the Atlantic Ocean. Now, with these things, we know say in the next 1 year, the kind things then we will go down bring out, with the target, waiting if we see President Muhammadu Buhari today for we go all in leg, say, unless you bless us. And that bless us, we say, make you give the go-ahead for Nigeria to get a functional ICAM. ICAM na Integrated Coastal Area Management Plan. Now, you go fit convert our 853 kilometers of coastline to Miami, to South Africa. So that Nigerians go they come they do tourism for here. We no go they enter plane they go abroad or enter plane go even Gabon for corner here. Say we won't go spend 2 weeks. Say we won't go sit down for seaside.
Won't go flex for Gabon.
Yeah, because if you ask many people why you know they go beach, why you know they go enjoy. Some go say some of the beach just now for shayo. Some go say the beach they shit for there. Some go say you go see dirty. Some people now pray they go pray for the beach. So all these things ICAM, an Integrated Coastal Area Management Plan for the whole country. Now you go fit solve them. So in the next 1 year, to answer your question, all our activities, they go in that direction. With the push policy, with the organized program, with the develop, what they call eco centers. They are like prototype where people go fit go, do aquaculture, do tourism, and use those areas together with our eco ambassadors, eco agencies, and eco companies to promote protection of coastal wetlands. You don't hit the matter for the head. We get Oga Chukwudi when they call us all the way from Owerri. Oga Chukwudi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukwudi, my brother.
Oga Chukwudi, be like say your voice go down. Raise them up. I know say the environment follow for things when they cause some.
Yeah, you're right. Good morning. Good morning, our guest.
Morning.
Yes, Chukwudi, honestly speaking, it's good to make you have a round peg in a round hole. That's our Wobombe visitor. Now, round peg in a round hole. You see, at times, what you talk for environment now as it just be. The problem with our government, our policy makers, we say, I know from the one that before you embark on road construction or Obonge building, you go do what they call environmental assessment or whatever as the case may be.
You're right.
They need the feasibility study of the environment to know, say, if you construct road, you go on to drainage so that you go check the movement of water, because water must find its way.
True.
But this time around, because they want to impress everybody, they just put road where road not supposed to be, high road where road not supposed to be, build a building where it's not supposed to be. At the end of the day, the environment, the water, everything where constitute the environment, it go take its place. Wind go come, it go blow up some things where it's not supposed to be, where it be. Erosion will come, sweep off what it's not supposed to be. So make our government, they do environmental impact assessment before they go on do their own construction. Another one, they say, I know that they get ecological funds. As the money they take go first, no. Make we chook eye, make your agency chook eye to know whether this money where the government put for all these emergencies, they use them through. At times governors or government, they use them do one kind charitable organization, use them do one settlement or whatever. Leave what they supposed use the money do. Make your agency, they chook eye. Now when we don't get new government,
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very, very much. You don't make very important points. Oga Prince, they don't give you assignment too. He don't talk and say the ecological fund when he be like say somehow we don't know how they spend and say make una chuka. He don't carry another thing put for your shoulder, so you go add them to the list of work we una go do.
Yeah.
From Owerri we go enter Abuja collect Oga Alex. Oga Alex, good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Alex. We don't miss you well. Oh. This one when we say you never call us for some time now.
Chukwudi, I want to greet you well for bringing back Oyibo Nigeriana Antio brings here today. Let us start by saying certain things when the position in the combat here, they are not too support 100%. For instance, our suggestion say waiting that they try for each state, may they take and develop them. Okay. For example, coal in Enugu, may they take and develop Enugu. For example, agricultural produce in the Yoruba, may they take and develop them. I'm not subscribed to that idea at all. God won't make mistake for putting 36 states together to form a country. You know, that woman in Mama Ibe made it from America. The state of California, big South Nigeria put together. And it's just a state in America. What of 36 states, why won't we do together? So, and whatever the issue of resource control, don't forget the partner. Because I know before they discover oil well from Mary. Now, Greek people from the north, now they take care of this country. 90 states, make I see small with Oyibo as a talker. You see, with the talk of cleaning the Niger Delta, and I'm very happy environmentally they dispute you. Since the man of me, I ask you this question. You know the country, your environment no good. And if they go both sides, or take cruise oil here, start up in the gas refinery, and you not moving that problem, Chris Omagoni.
Oga Alex, you don't ask very, very important question and make very strong contribution. But we need to quickly go break. When we go break, come back. Prince, David, Omaromi, go address these two issues where we say Oga Chukwudi and Oga Alex don't raise. When we go come back, we go continue. This now still as it is hot. Welcome back to Wazobia TV, Start Time Channel 195. And this, now the only democracy when on top of television, as it is hot. Program of the people, by the people, and for the people, so that we go talk them the way when the team be us for body. And before you respond, we get Oga Bobby all the way from Amsterdam. We know Amsterdam far. We know they take that kind of call play. Oga Bobby, good morning. Welcome to As It Is Hot. It don't take small, but welcome.
It don't really tell me. Yes, I greet you first.
Very well.
Chukwudi, I didn't miss Chukwudi, so please, me could come back quick.
He will soon come back, no worry. We will go continue.
If like only your face, they call it boring.
No worry, they come very soon.
What I want to say, that Niger data matter, but my own and that twist of the matter. Excuse me. The money where they give all those Niger Delta people, the thing we say, now money where we say federal government is supposed to put into use inside Niger Delta. All those money that they give, say they be wanting, I don't know who they be. So-called what I don't know the details. So I'm not the function of them. You understand me now? Because those are money when the government to put into infrastructure, creating jobs for those people when they stay on those creeks and other places. Then enable them their life to get better. But you pay somebody to guide pipe. With the pipe when if you guide the pipe, you pay him money to guide pipe. You go, he put the money for a pocket. You give him the money, then he not do what he do. He goes, to give some. You give him 1 million now. You give the boys 1,000 naira. Say okay, my boys did this. You give the small money for pocket. Then he put it down for pocket. I see the function of all those people there. Then issue matter of erosion when they talk, the team say we don't know how to plan anything in life. That is we Africans. I will put that generally as African something. Because we know they look where would they build house they put. Before you start the foundation of a house, you get to look where the house, where the house day, where it day, go. There are some people that are just okay to island for near creek. They'll come and go up and they'll build their house for inside. Then when erosion comes, the water not severe to pass, it will come full every year. Then they plan out, okay, this place will be erosion area, how will guide water now if rainy season comes? Means water flow to the sea or to river or creek anywhere.
Oga Bobby, the point where you don't make, we don't note them down. We know say na Amsterdam you dey and the way when that area dey, now waiting the construct way, but now waiting we self they plan, starting from the work when we say F1 they do. But before we address them, make we take Sunday. Sunday they call us all the way from Kaduna. Oga Sunday, good morning, sir. Oga Sunday, we dey hear you.
Good morning, Uncle B.
Good morning, Oga Sunday.
How dey?
We dey fine. I beg greet our ogbonge visitor, Prince David Omaromi.
David, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
What on how dey?
Very well, Sunday. Thank you.
Okay, Okay.
It be like say the network. They shake somehow from Kaduna. Oga David Omaromi.
Let me go this way.
Okay.
What be like Mohammed where they bring account of Goodluck Jonathan.
The matter pain now. I won't go back to the Tuesday
First
discussion. The thing, it don't bottle am since, but na network na no agree. But we don't note that one. We don't, as you take talk, we don't end them. Say the people when we say the law give them power to do their work, make them do their work. And before president don't talk, say they fear anything.
Yes.
In hand they clean. Make we move the country forward. Then this very important one we dey discuss now. I go like make you address the issues when we say Oga Chukwudi and
Chukwudi make some point where it sweets me say more and more Nigerians, whether you be environmentalist, whether you be banker, whether you be engineer, or whether they even sell pure water, don't they feel they use language like environmental impact assessment? Even if you not use the language, you still use the common sense. Although they say common sense not common. They talk say where you suppose build road before you do them, you suppose take know how the environment be, know the water level.
Cut this talk for your mouth, but Moses don't call back from Kaduna to revenge for Sunday.
Okay.
Oga Moses, good morning, sir.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning. Thank God say you enter. I beg, fire down.
I greet you, sir.
Very well, thank you.
Hello, sir. Wait, I want you get one question I want ask. You know, say you know go good may bad thing don't happen before we come to look for the solution. I think. Now we say Oga don dey house now don't know the solution of the thing where they say is supposed to occur. I want to ask this question. Oga Patapata, Oga Body, them they are aware of this thing so that they go start to take this thing, controlling measure now, make them know how far they go put everything in place so that this thing no go come everywhere for Nigeria here. Because as I discussed the matter for studio this morning, my body called a shake myself. I can't carry blanket cover myself. You understand?
Thank you very much,
Hello?
Oga Moses. Oga Moses' question, I basically say this talk when they talk now, based on some kind of people when surround Oga Presido, the thing they filter reach in here. Make it not be like say Oga Presido don't talk one. Later he go come to say, I've been talking this thing, what's it gonna happen? Maybe now the channel, the way when we say the gist, they go back to them. Now I mean want to see. This one, it is very simple now the environment.
Very well.
If he spoil, we go see him. If he don't they repair, we go see him. Maybe waiting and they tell us.
True. Regarding this last question now, the man won't know whether Oga Presido Buhari don't know about the issues. And I mentioned him earlier, I say, thank God say the man na old timer, no be today meet. He don't travel the whole country.
True.
He do election for the whole country. He be president before, head of state before. He be minister of petroleum before. And now when he retire the first time, before he come back to active service, he retired as a farmer. So he know the issues of desertification.
True.
He know the issues of coastal erosion. He know the issues of oil spills. The fact say he don't start in administration with that kind green button, don't make us say this na green president.
True.
Make we support him. That's now why at F1 we dey carry plenty join body them. They follow our message, especially people for entertainment, people for petroleum industry, people for shipping. Because now this kind of people then go fit promote us to shout. People wey go fit monitor, and anywhere where we see say they go wrong, the best place to go stand wey be like say you go stand on top sun, na im be media. So all our media partners then we dey beg them say make una help us dey shout this message of environmental restoration. We don see Oga Buhari dey read newspaper, so definitely na man wey get Nigeria for him heart. So thank you for that question. We go take note, we will continue our message, and we will continue to make sure say Oga Buhari in the year.
Oga David, sharp, for want of time.
Yes.
Just take the two together.
Very well. The other thing when the ecological fund where the man from Owerri raised, Oga Chukwudi, we don't already shine torchlight for that ecological fund office because we noticed over the last 16 years to 17 years, as that office day, some governors then they sit down mess on top. Some governors then instead of to use the money to tackle gully erosion, they go use and take go build school near the gully erosion site. Where we say the next season the erosion go chop the school. So issue of proper implementation of funds, now we go touch light for that ecological fund office so that every state will go publish them. This is how much this state receive to tackle ecological destruction, to tackle ecological problems. And there will be no diverting. Anybody when diverting money, bam, we don't report to Oga Buhari. So we dey volunteer ourselves to be open reporter. For the other man when call from Kaduna, where they talk of illegal refineries and resource control, we look and say the views of Madam Ankio Briggs regarding issue of resource control and the rest. She and other leaders on the Niger Delta, they get serious points. But that point now, out of as they peppered everybody for body,
because
say,
of the suffer
the
when
area
they don't see.
when they produce them, they get destroyed and no attempt to clean them. That's why we they shout say now where oil still dey, make we use them to develop our tourism areas, develop our agriculture. Because when it finish, because oil go finish, now Oyibo they call non-renewable. You know they feel renew. Make we divert that money to other areas. So the issue of illegal refinery, the issue of amnesty program.
David, you don't finish work already. I know say 1 hour not even reach for you to talk all this talk.
Very well.
But because of the importance of green things for our environment, you go still come back again and you go still talk am as e dey hot. Our people wait there for us on Friday. Una know say we dey lock shop, carry key go. But our ears still dey ground based on things wey dey happen inside Nigeria political arrangement. Until we come back again on Monday with all the action to wey happen on top of Nigeria political arrangement. Make una know Nigeria na our country. E no go spoil. We go join our hand together to move our country forward. Oga David, thank you, say you carry waka come. I go shake your hand again.
Thank you very
much. Our people, bye.
If you know say just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.